wanted to do a really quick unboxing video. I just picked up this gaming drive. My PlayStation's memory got full, so it forced me to have to go ahead and purchase an external drive so I can move my games over and continue playing. I have a few games that need updates, but I cannot download them right now. So I got the 4 terabyte one, and I picked this up off of Amazon. It's a Seagate drive. I'll drop the link in the description. So we're just gonna get right in here and see what all comes in the box. So excuse my my bump into the camera there. But so we got a little booklet, pretty standard in most electronics. You have your little booklet, and then it's got this plastic coating on there, another little handbook there, and then we got the drive itself. So it's nice and snug. And initial thoughts pulling it out, it is fairly substantial feeling, not a whole lot of weight, but it feels good, feels solid. It's about an inch, almost an inch thick, but it's got a good feel. And then the nice blue accent as well. It's a nice little touch. And then of course we have the USB connector there, the cable, and that's it. So we just got those two in the packaging. So just taking a look here at the drive, like I said, it feels solid. It doesn't feel cheap at all. In comparison, this is an iPhone SE 2020, and just to do a little size comparison with that phone, so you can see the drive doesn't take up much space at all, so you can just have it snug somewhere and connect it and be good to go. And then if you see right here, the little LED indicator, really small blue light that'll turn on and let you know that you're connected and everything's going good. So that's been it. I'm gonna go ahead and hook this up and move my files over so I can continue gaming. Take care.